Hello, I'm Ian of Mobilant. Now, we're going to talk about SENSAH. Learn how to install dual levers on a road bike. This lever has a mix of Shimano and SRAM usage. This is a Shimano method using an independent lever. The SENSAH product has a lever movement. It is a hybrid product with brakes and shifts. How to install SENSAH dual lever. First, open the lever hood a little and insert the hex wrench. Loosen the clamp band bolt. Insert the lever into the drop bar. Then tighten the lever retention bolt. You need a T-shaped advanced wrench that can give you a lot of strength. Usually, it is difficult to fix it with hex wrench. Fix the lever and insert the cover again. Insert the inner shift cable. It is better not to use the cable housing at this time. Insert the shift and brake outer cable into the lever guide hole. Reopen the cover after installation. Brake cables must be installed directly. There's a hole here. The cable will come out next to the hood. It's possible if you repeat it many times. The cable is coming out next to the hood. Now you need to secure the cable to the rear derailleur. Secure the transmission inner cable to the anchor bolt. Pull the inner cable to remove any housing cable voids. Connect the front derailleur cable as well. If you operate the transmission and remove the cable gap, it's done. If you cut the remaining cable and install the inner cable and cap, it will be a success. To tell you how it feels after using this product, if you set it up correctly, fast shifts such as high-end brands such as Shimano and SRAM, if you press it deeply, it moves in the low speed direction of the gear. You can move at a small gear high speed if you press it briefly. This may cause some shift errors, unlike Shimano, but it's price-wise, it's a price-performance thing. I think it will receive a lot of love as a low-end product. Please check the video bulletin board for the available product address. Subscribe and click like is a big help in producing the show. Thanks for watching.